Hello students, the next topic in chapter 3 that we will discuss in this video lecture is plastics. So what do you mean by the term plastic? A material is said to be plastic if it can be molded or formed into different shapes. So as per this definition, a dough, plasticine, clay and heated glass are plastics in nature as they can be molded or formed into different shapes. However, the word plastic nowadays is commonly used for various man made materials that can be molded into various shapes or drawn into fibers. And all these materials are made of polymers. Types of plastics. Plastics are of two types, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics, in these plastics, the process of softening by heating and hardening on cooling can be repeated again and again to soften the plastic to get different shapes. Examples: polythene, PVC, perspex, etc. The another types of plastics is thermosetting plastics. These plastics can be softened by heating only once, means once they allowed to harden, they cannot be softened again on heating. Examples: bakelite, formica and melamine. So these are few of the examples of thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Now types of thermosetting plastics and its uses. So there are examples of thermosetting plastics. The first one is bakelite. Its property is that it is harder than other plastics and a good electric insulator, due to which it is used for making buttons, plugs, switches and other electric fittings. The another type is formica and melamine. The another kind of thermosetting plastics are formica and melamine, which have a hard and a smooth surface. Due to this property, they are used as a tabletop and for making crockery. These are melamine utensils and